Hello and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to create LinkedIn account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. If you are new to LinkedIn, this is the best video for you. First of all, open your LinkedIn app. From there you can continue with your Google ID or you can continue with your Facebook ID. Or if you already have a LinkedIn account, you can just press to sign in. Or else you can click to agree and join. There, enter your first name, then enter your last name. Then click to continue. There, enter your email address or phone number. Once you have entered your email or phone number, click to continue. Create a password with 6 or more characters with a combination of uppercase letter, lowercase letter, symbols and numbers. Once you have done that, press to continue. Confirm your location and click to next. Choose if you are a student or not. And if you are not, then enter your most recent job title. Then click to next. From there you can add your profile picture or skip it for now. Enter the verification code that you have received in your email. Once you have verified your email address, follow the on-screen instructions. Your LinkedIn account has been created. This is how you can create a LinkedIn account. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.